What's up, guys? It's Asterix2, and today we're gonna be doing Hmmsim. We're gonna be doing Hmmsim. Yup. Listen, they take a while for the train to come, so I'm just gonna wait here. Relax and enjoy the video. Dang, I wish this was express. Well, we're gonna transfer if we have more time. I hope it's an express train. If it's not an express train, you're gonna have to switch. There is on an uptown local 7 train to Flushing Main Street. Approaching the station. That's local. I want an express train.
Woodside, 61st Street. Transfers available to the T70 bus to LaGuardia Airport. Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad.
This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train. The next stop is 69th Street. I'm really good at these announcements. I've been learning trains since I was like a baby. I'm 8 years old now.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.